In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate graphs and charts in PowerPoint, all in Hindi. Animating graphs can add a dynamic element to your presentations, making them more engaging and easier to understand. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you've got the software up and running so that you can follow along with this tutorial. Once you have PowerPoint open, locate the presentation you want to work with. It's important to have your project ready so you can see the changes and animations as we apply them. Next, navigate to the specific chart you'd like to animate. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be working with a pie chart, though keep in mind that the process is pretty similar for other types of graphs and charts as well. So, click on your pie chart to select it. You'll notice that once you click on the chart, it's highlighted with a border, indicating it's ready for editing or animating. Now look towards the top of your PowerPoint window and find the Animation tab. Clicking on the Animation tab will reveal a treasure trove of animation options specifically designed to make your data presentation shine. This tab is where the magic happens, and it's where we'll be spending most of our time today. Once in the Animation tab, take a moment to explore the drop-down menu. This menu offers a variety of animation options that can bring your chart to life. You might choose a simple fade, a dynamic bounce, or any of the other effects available. The choice is yours, and it really depends on the tone and style of your presentation. Experiment a bit and select the one that enhances the visual appeal and clarity of your message. Now that you've selected an animation, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. Click on the Effect Options button within the Animation tab. This feature allows you to tweak how the animation plays out, offering options such as changing the direction, timing, and even how each segment of the pie chart animates. This level of detail can really help tailor the animation to fit the rhythm of your presentation. So take your time and make adjustments that align with how you want your audience to perceive the information. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to animating graphs and charts in PowerPoint. By following these steps, you can transform your static data into a dynamic storytelling tool that not only informs but also captivates your audience. I hope you find this process as straightforward and rewarding as I do. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.